So we have a PC motherboard here with problem cannot turn on. When we press the power button, the fan of the processor is working, but just for working quickly. Boom, and then off again. So this motherboard cannot turn on. And then after we check, we have a line here with full voltage value 5 volt. I have checked using the multitester and sorted. In this line there are many capacitor like this. This is the Elco with 1000 microfarad and 6.3 volt. Because this line have sorted, I give 5 volt at this line, but when I touch all the component at this motherboard, there is no hot component, so I remove the capacitor that is installed at this line. Here we have removed this Elco, this and this, still not fixed, not solved. And also I have checked using the multitester because I have not the schematic of this motherboard, and this line also connected directly to this capacitor. Okay, this capacitor, USB capacitor, and this capacitor here. And then I found that the capacitor that is installed here have sorted. This is the capacitor, this is the front panel USB capacitor. I have removed this, and this is sorted between each pins. And after we remove this, the sorted at the 5 volt line have gone, and now no sorted again. And I will test after this. I think this motherboard will working again. Alright, this is working well. Okay, so this motherboard cannot working caused by the sorted capacitor installed on the 5 volt line and at the front USB port. Okay, thank you for watching.